Mayo House. Mayo House, winner of the Salvadoran Bienal 2022 award in the architecture design category. Located on a small white sand beach in western El Salvador, we find a plot of land full of tamarinds, wild trees and mayflowers. The tropical exuberance of the land infiltrates every corner of the house, refreshing and giving it a sense of open intimacy. The architecture is limited to channeling the circulation and framing the function so that the natural place is the one that shines. The house lives in its surrounding and informs the use of its space in such a way that they are always in communion with the exteriors. The materiality was very consequently selected with the intention that it would age nobly and tell its story as the years go by.